I got ice.
What up, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I got another video. So this video pretty much going to be how to get into your dealer mode in your Durango. So what you got to do, hold these two buttons down, your hot and cold, and then hold your defrost down at the same time. Let me get my fingers situated where I can do all those. Finger on the hot, finger on the cold. Press them all at the same time. Hold it down. There you go. You should be able to get into your dealer mode. Here, you can go in and look at your system information, look at your menu, stuff like that. I don't know what none of this stuff is, so I can go into it and find out what's here, but this is everything that's on the menu. Your Bluetooth, wow. The memory, everything, your data status. I wonder what's in there. Oh, it just shows like your IP and stuff. But every time you go back, you got to go right back in by holding the dealer mode. Holding the button down, get back in there. Use this button right here to go through the menu. To it, y'all can go in here and find out a little information on your Durango. Like I said, you hold the hot and cold down, hold defrost down at the same time, and you can get into this section right here. So yeah.